Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Sluice Box is probably one of the most versatile and efficient tools for gold prospecting and recovery, allowing both beginners and experienced miners to effectively separate gold from other materials in various environments. In this video, we will review the top Sluice Boxes available in the market, comparing their features, ease of use, and overall performance to help you make an informed decision based on your specific needs and budget. Number 5. SluiceFox Gold Panning Kit. It's the ultimate kit for streamlined gold prospecting. Everything you need is right here, ready for your next adventure. Choose from our aluminum or TPR pocket sluice. It's lightweight, durable, and perfect for taking anywhere. This kit includes a gold trap mat, miner's moss, a classifier, and even a handy tote backpack. You'll be fully equipped for success. You also get a magnet separator, mini classifier sifting pan, spiral gold pans, tweezers with a magnifier, and storage vials. It has everything you need to find gold. It's made with high-quality materials and superior craftsmanship. You'll see the difference in its performance and durability. It's assembled in the USA by experienced prospectors, using a combination of cutting-edge materials and time-tested techniques. What we like. This kit has everything you need to start gold prospecting, all packed into a convenient backpack. It's perfect for beginners because it includes all the essential tools and is easy to transport to various locations. If you're new to gold panning and want a complete, portable solution, this is the one for you. What people say. This gold panning kit is a great choice for beginner and intermediate prospectors, featuring a lightweight sluice box, miner's moss, gold trap mat, classifier, and tote backpack for easy transport and setup. It's portable, easy to use, and well designed for efficient gold capture, making it ideal for small-scale prospecting. The included pan and classifier are durable and easy to use. Number 4. SluiceFox Pocket Gold Sluice. This is the ultimate portable gold sluice box, perfect for prospectors on the go. Its compact size makes it ideal for remote locations and backpacking trips. At just 12 inches long, it's the most portable effective gold sluice box available. Weighing only 0.75 pounds, it's easy to carry anywhere. It's made from durable aluminum alloy and features miner's moss and V-trap matting for superior gold recovery. Both matting options are included. Compare it side by side with other sluice boxes, it's clear that this one offers higher quality and better features. We use cutting-edge materials and techniques. It's assembled in the USA by experienced prospectors and outdoor professionals, combining modern manufacturing with time-tested mining knowledge. Parts are sourced globally. Whether you're exploring remote tributaries, abandoned bedrock formations, or simply enjoying a day of prospecting, this sluice box is your perfect companion. Get yours today. What we like. It's incredibly lightweight and compact, making it ideal for backpacking trips or reaching remote areas. Its small size doesn't compromise its effectiveness, it's surprisingly efficient for its size. If you prioritize portability and need a sluice box that's easy to carry, this is the best choice. What people say. Well made with quality materials. Small enough to fit in a backpack. Very nice construction. This mini sluice is a good size for travel backpacking and came very quickly. No nuggets yet, but definitely see fine gold popping up in the rubber matting. Number 3. VEVOR Fold Sluice Box. It's lightweight and folds up easily, so you can take it anywhere. Its compact design makes transporting it a breeze, fitting easily into a backpack. It's designed for easy setup and use. Simply unfold it, level it, and it locks securely in place, even in strong currents. It's made from durable, rust-proof aluminum alloy. This ensures it can withstand tough conditions and provide long-lasting use. The built-in riffles and miner's moss create turbulence to trap even the smallest gold flakes and flour. You'll be amazed at how efficiently it collects gold. It comes with a handy pocket scale for accurate gold weighing. Weigh your finds with precision, up to 200 g with 0.01 g readability. With its portability and efficient design, it's the perfect tool for your next gold panning adventure. Get ready to find your fortune. What we like. This sluice box is built to last with its high-quality aluminum alloy construction and is designed for easy transport. Its efficient design ensures effective gold recovery. If you need a durable and easy-to-carry sluice box for larger-scale operations, this is a great option. What people say. The unit is in 3 sections, the feed, with flare, then 2 sections, each with riffles, angled mesh, miner's moss and carpet. Easily fits into a pack when out prospecting for gold, along with a shovel and other items. It's not so easy to put together when it is missing pieces. This item required a trip to the hardware store in order to put together as it was missing some of the hardware. It is a good thing I attempted a pre-assembly at home before I went out to the field, as the hardware store would have been over 2 hours away. It would sure be nice if there was better quality control when it comes to these products. Making sure the buyer has what they need in order to use it without making any special trips is paramount to a satisfied buyer. Number 2. ASR Outdoor 50 Sluice Box. It folds down compact for easy storage and carrying. Take it anywhere, backpack it into remote areas, or even carry it in a bucket. Simply ensure it's sloped well and level. The design locks rigidly in place when extended, preventing accidental collapse. The built-in riffles and miner's moss trap gold flakes and nuggets. It's ready to use right out of the box. Made from durable, rust-free aluminum, it's lightweight and withstands harsh environments. It's built to last and go the distance. It's 50 inches long when extended, and folds to just 15 by 9 by 5 inches. It weighs only 8.4 pounds and includes carpet, miner's moss, and a shoulder strap. What we like. This sluice box folds down compactly for easy storage and transport, yet it's designed for effortless use in the field. Its high-yield design ensures you maximize your gold recovery. If you value portability and ease of use without sacrificing efficiency, this is the one for you. Number 1. SluiceFox Gold Mining Kit. It's more than just a kit, it's your gateway to the exciting world of gold prospecting. Everything you need to start your adventure is right here, ready to be explored. Its compact, foldable design makes it incredibly portable. It easily fits in a bucket and includes a carrying strap for easy transport to your favorite gold panning spot. This kit maximizes your gold recovery with its innovative design. The Hungarian-style riffles and miner's moss ensure that even the tiniest gold flakes don't escape. This comprehensive kit includes all the essential tools for gold prospecting. You'll receive gold pans, a sluice box, classifiers, and much more. Just add a bucket and shovel. With 20 to 23 pieces, this kit is fully equipped. From gold pans and a sluice box to classifiers, a magnet, and crevice tools, it has everything you need to start your gold mining journey. It's assembled in the USA by experienced prospectors, combining cutting-edge materials with time-tested techniques. It's built to last and help you find your gold. What we like. This isn't just a sluice box, it's a complete gold prospecting kit with everything you need to get started. It offers high-yield gold recovery and excellent value for your money. If you want a comprehensive kit with all the necessary tools at a reasonable price, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Everything came perfectly, only thing I would say is take the bag out of the picture. Easy to assemble, reliability is perfect for the mission at hand, size was as described. The sluice box is perfect. It folds up nicely and the flared end fits inside the folded sluice box for easy storage and transportation. It is easy to set up and works perfectly. Practical set for a beginning prospector. Has a little bit of everything. You could pack this up in a backpack and head to the stream as soon as you receive it. Most of the equipment is SE branded and sturdy. The pans are good quality and even the smaller pan works well with minimal cons. Comes with a small rock hammer, about 12 inches long and has a sturdy forge. The sluice is 9 inches wide, so keep that in mind. Works as well as any sluice, just in a small package. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.